Should you use Lempod and other LinkedIn growth hacking tools in order to grow your network on LinkedIn, in order to improve your profile? That's what I'm going to be answering in this video, so stick around. Now, I hope the voice is working correctly. So this is my LinkedIn. Again, this is only a test that like I've been doing for a couple of days, basically. So first, you're gonna click on the plugin, Lempod. Yeah. So as you can see here, in my groups, I joined 3 groups. Oh, I guess I got accepted to a 4th one, and it tells you how many people are in that group and how many people are currently online. You can go to the marketplace where you can put some tags like United States, France, whatever the country, maybe a founder, maybe you're looking for a B2B kind of thing, and then you do your search. And then you can also, of course, look at popular groups. What I noticed is when you log in or when you sign up to Lempod, they will send you an email a few hours later saying, here are some groups that we recommend, and here are the secret codes. So the secret codes would allow you to join a pod without waiting for an admin to manually approve you. So in this case, I have, I guess, 4 in my groups. But anyways, what I was allowed to was basically 3 groups before. So what I would do is I would go to my LinkedIn, and here's my profile, by the way. Let me go over my profile real quick. I have around 16,480 followers, so it's not a bad profile that I have. But this year I decided I want to push that to at least like 50K or 100K even, along with my like working hard on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to see how I can hack growth and see if there's something I can do about it. As per impressions, post impressions, I can go here and I will show you the last year basically. So I've had something that went like really viral in the summer with 116,000 impressions, and I have others with 80,000, 25,000, etc. So my profile isn't bad, but again, I wanna make it even better. Uh, so you create a post. So I'm just gonna go to notifications. I will show you one of the things. I did 2 posts using this method with Lempod. One of them is about cybersecurity, and I guess 2 or 3 likes from this post were from my actual network, and the others were from Lempod. Now, what is interesting here? I have 137 likes on the post. I have a lot of comments that once you go through them, you will see they're pretty generic. You can have a list of possible comments that you ask the users to put for you, which is kind of interesting because I don't like that. It's to me, it's a security risk because if you populate something that's kind of like not nice, or it's like it might provoke somebody in a way or another. Uh, these users that are using Lempod, they're doing these comments automatically. They're not really filtering them. So they might end up putting something that they don't necessarily agree with, and it could be like aggressive or provocative or whatever. And then their network is going to see that and they're going to think that they put that manually. So that could put you, like, give you some trouble. So be aware of that. So these are the comments. What's very interesting here is with 137 likes and all these comments, look at the impressions. The impressions didn't increase. So it's only 727 impressions for this exact post. And basically with 100 and let's say around 140 likes, that's 20% likes to viewership ratio. I'm gonna take a quick pause here to let my daughter go to her couch, and I'll be back. And I'm back. All right, so this doesn't make sense, as you can see. What I think is happening is there's some kind of API that's taking place, API utilization that's taking place where the users are not really opening LinkedIn, they're not going through the post. That could Lempod could do something about that. I've seen other plugins in the past where they actually take over your screen and they do the scrolling and stuff like this. So it's more organic, or more, not organic, I would say, like more realistic. So in this case, I would just like copy a post. You can add the link here for your LinkedIn post, and then you add a new boost, and that will tell you basically select which groups you want to engage with your stuff, and you do that, and then you can see here. This is mine. So 460 users engaged. I got 137 likes, 23 comments, blah blah. But again, the views is the most important part of these metrics, and that tells me that LinkedIn caught on to this kind of helping or growth hacking mechanism, and they're putting the post in its place. Now, the fact that I have a lot of followers, usually these posts should start showing up more and more because they're getting more traction, right? And they're getting more likes. No, I haven't seen people from my own network liking this post. So I think LinkedIn just parked it aside, and I hope I'm not in some kind of like prison right now, a virtual prison, or at least my profile, where I'm not gonna be able to, or my posts are not gonna show more often to my colleagues and my connections and everything. So let's sum it up. Using this method, like using Lempod or any other plugin that uses like automatic viewership or engagement, where the users are not really liking or commenting or engaging with your content. I was actually hoping that I would meet some people and like develop some relationships, because some pods are about security, cybersecurity, IT. So I was hoping that I would get to know some people, but no, it's all automatic. So there is no hope, or there is no uh, real possibility of actually improving your network and building strong relationships. Would I recommend using a service like Lempod? No. Actually, my trial it was for 1 day. I don't know why they're still going. I'm gonna cancel it. Uh, I don't think it's worth it, because again, your post, LinkedIn is gonna catch up that there's something wrong and that you're trying to hack growth, and they're gonna just put you in LinkedIn's virtual prison, and your post is not gonna go anywhere. You're just gonna see that, oh, it has a lot of likes. Wow, it's not worth it. So I'm gonna put this video in some kind of like playlist for LinkedIn, and I will try to add more videos throughout the year or the years, depending on how long I keep working on this channel, which I love, but I need more motivation. So please, if you find this content beneficial for you, if this added any value for you, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and even sharing the video if you can. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. What are you gonna say here? What's going on? No. There goes my eye. Okay. Yeet! All right. Hello everyone. Should you increase